Hi, Group 8. I am Angela. I'm from Group 4. Just wanted to say thanks so much for your speech. It was great. I really did like it. I thought you guys picked an excellent topic for the number of people that you had. You were able to evenly distribute and talk about the different branches. So it it was very nicely timed. I could definitely tell you did a lot of research on this. This was very informative, and I learned some new things in the videos that I did not know before, sadly. But I think if I was to give one criticism, it would be I thought the PowerPoint there were so many words that it was the bullet points and just how much information was on the screen was a little too much for me. It was kind of a little overwhelming. So maybe if you were able to kind of condense that a little bit more, it might have been a little bit easier. But I mean, you did thoroughly explain everything. So I really did think overall it was great and it flowed very nicely. It was very cohesive. And I really appreciated the time and effort that you guys put into it because I could tell that it was definitely something you researched and put time into to um, make the speech really good. So keep up the good work and hope to see more of your work in the future. Thanks.